Okay, today we're looking at a 2013 GMC Terrain SLT, Quicksilver metallic in color. It's got 82,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome side mirrors. Alright, it is equipped with sunroof. Driver's side of the Terrain's in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle here. Backup camera, rear park assist. Down the passenger side, everything's in really good shape. Exterior of this Terrain looks really good. It's a 13, 82,000 miles. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. We got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have Pioneer audio. Black leather seats, power driver's seat. Also has the driver memory here. Okay, driver's seat's in great shape. There's a shot of the sunroof for you. Alright, it does have keyless entry key fob. It's missing the unlock button there, but I think there's two keys. Okay, I'm not sure, but this is one of them, and it is missing that button there, but it does have remote start. Center armrest, got some upper and lower storage. USB and auxiliary port in there. Passenger seat leather looks good. It is an automatic. Got your climate controls there, heated seats. AM FM stereo. It's going to have the backup camera right there. We'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. It also has cruise control over here with the lane departure warning and collision alert. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 82,529 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's show you your apps here, your radio display. Alright, these are all your apps. You can scroll through. Okay, let's go ahead and engage backup camera. Alright, and that beeping that you hear, is your rear park assist. The faster it beeps, the closer you're getting to an object. Okay, once again, you got the heated seats there. Go ahead and hop out, we'll take a look in the back. Alright, door panels back here in great shape. Back seat carpet, nice and clean, no stains. Let me go ahead and walk around to the passenger side here, open up that door. I'm going to try to let as much light in as possible so you can see everything I'm describing. Alright, once again, back seat carpet nice and clean. Got a power outlet here. Back seat leather looks great, not a wrinkle in it. Center armrest comes down. Got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Power liftgate. Carpet back here nice and clean. Got a little storage area under here. Got your spare tire and jack. Another power outlet here. I'll stand to the side so you can see the depth. But there's a ton of room back here. The button's been rubbed off right here. Okay, but this is the liftgate button there. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch chrome. Alright, you got 18-inch chrome wheels. Tires are in great shape. Alright, plenty of tread left on them. And these are just the caps on here. Alright, there's probably alloy up underneath that, but these are the chrome clad aluminum. Alright, once again, it's a 2013 GMC Terrain SLT. Well taken care of inside and out. It's got 82,000 miles on it. Interior is clean as a pin. Alright, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.